Okay, welcome back to D1 Trade. This is D1. Today is June the 5th, like 9:14 a.m. PDT. So we can see now is the downtrend. So at this time, we don't think a reverse. We don't think of any long opportunity. So when can we go long? It's like, for example, we see a RSI bottom divergence for one round. Okay. This is the RSI bottom. It reaches here, and the price action goes way lower, but while the RSI is higher. Okay, that's second round. We need to see once is break, it break to a higher high, and then it pull back. The pullback should be at least like even or higher low, and then the RSI dramatically arise to back to like 40 to 60 range, like leave obviously leave the oversell area, and then shows some like upward engulfing candle, like shows a peak, a check, something. And while the price action is something at the same level with this one, with this peak, and RSI something, and show upward something. And at that moment, we can trade reverse, like based on this downtrend, and based on the upward engulfing candle, we can go long. Okay, that's how the setup for going long. It's not necessarily mean It does not necessarily mean that, okay, based on like downtrend, overall this is downtrend, so we can never trade long, but we can. But it's we need to just we just need to follow very strict, like some setup, and maybe trace the trading stop loss conservatively, something. So it does not mean, of course, that it's trying to create a lower low. It's trying to create a lower low. But this time I'm not there to go short because it's too far away from ENA 21. So anytime it can retest to ENA 21 or somewhere close. Or maybe not, it just speed up the slump. But if that's the case, then I will not get any trade for today if we continue something. But it should bounce back somewhere to EN 21 and then bounce back. Showing as long as it does not show a higher high, some equal high something, and EN 21 catches up, then show a downward engulfing, then I can go short from there. Yeah, I can go short from there. Otherwise, I'm not gonna trade short because this is too far away. And yeah, for ES, it's even further. So stick to our trading rule. Uh, so even you get out early, then you see there's something with this upward engulfing. Do you think this is some like reversal? The beginning of reversal. See, this is RSI divergence. Oh, no, not divergence. Oh, this is a minor divergence, and this is dramatically a rise and upward engulfing. So maybe you will trade upward from here, and you get kicked out. This is a sideway triangle sideway, and then continue to go down. So it's a chat. It's a chat. Uh, so oh, triangle sideway. Even for this one, even with this engulfing, God, even with this engulfing, with this one we cannot control anything, but with this one maybe then we can try here. Okay. With this one, okay. Now today, ES and NQ, it looks like they are on the same page. So when it breaks the Satan, see this candle, then ES still in the range. NQ exceeds a little bit more. That's based on the volatility. It closed a little bit. We cannot conclude because it is still in the range. And the say confirmation breakout candle and retest to the previous peak, something retest to here. Okay, almost on the same page. So there is no distortion, at least so far, there's no distortion. Not there to go short. Maybe I just need to grab my preference. Uh, Maybe I can sell two to test my trade copier. Today the trade copier is not well tested. Oh, dude. A couple of dollars, maybe $10. Micro coffee and cream. Let's see if we retest. I just want to test my trade copier. If we want to trace the higher, we can. Let's see. Oh, damn. We lost $3, $6, something. Should set a limit order right there. But at least we verify that, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 accounts. Good. The trade copy etc. is good for now. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's wait for it to retest somewhere around here. And EN21 will probably like catches up. If it's still far away from EN21, another way that EN21 catches this is a slump dramatically, and EN21 just get the average, just get impacted by the super big slump and something. That's possible. In that way, if we just guess, okay, this is already close to EN21 and we go short, that's too risky. That's pretty much like gamble. Uh, Too risky. Yeah. So we'll see if some sideway will be here or some engulfing. Even engulfing, I will not. Even it break the trend channel, I will not go long because there should be the pullback somewhere around here and pullback, and I would like to see the pullback before I go long. But on the contrary, if it retests somewhere and show a downward engulfing, of course I will go short from there. But um, the take profit will be here. So it could be any time here. Then it bounce back, retest to the upper bound. The upper bound extend here, retest to equal low and the upper bound of the upper channel. And retest the upper bound of the channel and then bounce back. And as I arise, that's where we go long. So let's just wait that's when we can go long. And that's how we do the reverse trend. And if it's like a bullish market, and when can we go short? Then it's the same logic. Leave out of about retest, and we'll see the retest. It should not create higher high and go long, and the RSI falls down dramatically and downward engulfing candle and go long, go short from there. So, so no hurry. Just wait for the setup. Mm-mm-mm. So somewhere around here and here will be a resistance for this, especially here. If you retest to here, yeah, it catches EN21. Then I would like to see the resistance from EN21. Now EN21 is below EN200, so it's downtrend. So even you break the trend line, I will not go long. I will see. Yeah, keep going up. So manual operation will have some delay and incur the hey, and incur the difference. See, some accounts like lost $3, some accounts lost $6. So it's ideally set limit order. Once I set limit order, it applies to all the accounts. So when they get triggered on the system side, not like starting from the lead account and spread to other accounts. So ideally, we just use the limit order. Let's just use the limit order. Now you want to bounce back. I think we need to wait like 5 more minutes. So let's grab some breakfast. Mm. Hmm. Keep falling and RSI at the same level. So anytime it will bounce back. Hmm. Hmm. But see, but anchor is regularly on the upper half of this channel. But for ES, it looks like it shows some symptom to speed up the slump from the upper bow, upper half of the range to the lower half. I will put one order here and see. In this way, because ES shows some symptom to accelerate the slumping. See if you retest. Mhm. It shows some momentum. Shows the momentum to a downside. Oh, this is only the first mini. Oh, it looks like it's trying to continue to go down. Mm. Oh, not bad. Bro. Oh, okay, $15. Then I fight back. Fight back for the micro time. I'm not trying to trade. If I'm trading, I'll put something small. This is not aligned with my trading principle. I just want to make fight back, like revenge trading for my child, for my like trade copy testing. How can the first trade be like red? Yeah, it should be green. If micro is $10 or something. Yeah, continue down. But you cannot down forever. It should bounce back. The RSI should bounce back somewhere here, but the price action might not necessarily be resumed to here or here. So there's an RSI divergence, top divergence. Then it goes short from there. The price action might probably here, or maybe here, but the RSI return to here. And it can continue down. It can never like go straight down like this. I don't believe it. Or the marketing mechanism does not allow to work that way. Mm. Mm. Oh, it looks like the ES is accelerating the slump. Yeah. When outside reaches the same level. So let's see 1 hour. Okay. Critical price level. Previous resistance. Later it becomes support. Now we are here. So we'll see. Remember our trading principle for going long. Time is not the time that we go long. Oh, RSI force on 20. Yes, just falling out of the range. Speed up the slump. Oh no, what happened? What happened today? This is a very nice opportunity to get in. 8:10. Oh, it's 8 o'clock. Hmm. It's very difficult to say. Sometimes you jump and you jump earlier, you get full, but sometimes you just sideways until 10 or 9 something. And if you jump early, you get full, you get trapped, and hit your daily loss limit and leave while the real trend happens. So I would rather miss. So I choose to get into the market like 9 o'clock, which is 12 o'clock for EST, which is 12 o'clock for EST. And so it's afternoon, then it's not that volatility, hopefully. There's no meaningful pullback. I'm not there to get into a trade, get into a short trade like somewhere like here. Hmm. Always wait for the pullback and then shows a downward engulfing candle. That's where we jump in a short trade. Hmm. So ENA 21 catches other trend line. For ES, ENA 21 just exceed the trend line because it's accelerating the slump. Okay. So only the first trade, and I made the achievement for yesterday. Yesterday, I worked like a couple of hours and only like $10. Guess what? I need to wait at least like I would say I need to wait at least like 10 to 15 minutes to wait for the pullback and downward engulfing. So based on situation, I can go to do some housework. Let's see. Okay, I'm back. Okay, it's starting to bounce back. Yeah, at a critical. We'll see 1 hour. Oh, where is the 1 hour? Okay, the same level resistance. So even you want to go down, then at least at this one, you will bounce back a little bit. It really depends on the bearish bearish momentum, how big it is. So how far you can go for the bounce back. So keep going. I will not trade the rebound, the bounce back, because who knows when it ends like this one, like this one. Yeah, I this one I saw it like continue to go up, and until here and something. Then it finishes here. So for this one, anytime you can finish. Okay. Anytime you can finish and resume the downtrend. So I just wait. Um, done. But I wish the candle should be small here because if you engulf like this candle is too big. So, but for RSI, yes, it already leaves the oversell area. But I think maybe it makes more sense if you retest to here at the same level like 40. After 40, then I'll wait. And the moment maybe you touch it somewhere here. Oh, only the first minute it shows gray like bearish momentum. But so far it's just retest. We cannot conclude that okay, we resume downtrend. Keep in mind this is already closed above this one, but not here. So, but if you close underneath, then I can get a short trade here. But no, CES only 0.6. Come on, yes, at least you has to unit 21, right? Yeah, that's right. Keep going up. Yeah, the benefits to trade 5 minutes is that you don't need to pay close attention. Regardless of how it moves in between. Eventually you want to see when it close, where it close. So you want to wait for the compression of this candle. So you know this is second minute. Oh, let's just wait. Oops, what happened? What happened? Almost, almost. Oh, I forgot to see 24 days. Yeah, still 10 days. 22 days. 22 days. 10. Yeah, that makes sense. Overall, is higher. Oh, it keeps going up. Then go ahead. Go ahead. Let's see this one. So ES shows green and NQ shows red and divergence. But if ES something like here, ES close underneath this lowest peak, NQ maybe like close under here, then I can go a short trade from there. It's possible that a series slump, then the ENA 21 catches up. So you answer this is very close. So at this time it's not close. But if what if ENA 21 something like this? It is close. But you need to wait until the completion of this candle. Don't conclude too early. Yeah, even show some momentum like this. Hmm. Don't care about process. Sometimes it just shows the momentum to some direction, which is misleading. It shows upward momentum, but it ended up like going down. It shows upward big momentum move to the downside quickly, but eventually it's going up. So what matters is very close rather than how volatility in between. Uh, oh, 2 minute and it's already here, but it could be bounce back. So no hurry. Hmm. Oh, so this time is already. Oh my God, I think I can do a short trade and when it break, yes. Mm-hmm. See if it bounce something. But this time this is a reverse pattern. And I can assume that okay, the retest is ending here. Uh Now it's just a matter of if you bounce back to get us on board before you recharge and slam to the downside. Oh, one more take. One more take. 3 minutes. How far you will retest? Okay, we are on board. Oh, I guess the volatility is so huge. This is already like 150 point. It looks so small. Oh, the volatility is big. So maybe if it breaks here, then I need to stop. I need to set a stop loss somewhere here, rather than wait until the see how it reacts to trend line or somewhere I cannot afford that. See, the liquidation is here. I'm gonna blow on my cover if it goes to here. Okay, it's not engulfing, but it already engulfed the lowest peak of the previous candle, but it's not engulfing this bullish candle. And same thing for ES. But this is already a reverse theta. It engulfed the lowest peak. So it continue to go down, I believe. I need to wait until at least like two downward candle so that I can set a trading limit order. For that, maybe I need to set a stop loss. Oh, but today's volatility is big. See, it looks like a small distance, but now it's like a 27.6 with two micro contract. Oh my God, the volatility is huge, huge. This is the way. It's not easy to draw the trend line when it's like extremely upward or downward or something. So let's see ES. If ES will close. Oh, okay. He already closed above, so maybe it will retest somewhere to here. Just be cautious. Don't move the trailing stop loss too early. And now I can move it here. Okay. If you close above the lowest peak and create lower low, I will move my trailing stop loss to secure at least some profit. We'll see. Looks like ES is trying to enter into another parallel channel that which is lower because it's accelerating the slump. Let's see if it close. At least you close underneath here. Okay. Make it bigger. Uh, Maybe I should move my trading stop loss somewhere here. At least I make $41. Oh, just in case you bounce back and so intimidating. Because this is a verified support. Verified support not only on 5 minute chart but also on 1 hour chart. So if it bounce back, that's 1 hour like bounce back somewhere here and can easily blow my account. So I need to move my trading stop loss at least secure some profit if the support is effective. Oh, yes, that's not engulf. So something dangerous. So it's right. I have moved my trading stop loss right there. It's dangerous. If ES can engulf somewhere here, then that will be safe. Hey, keep going down, please. Get back to 20. RSI. Mm. Get to here, then I can confidently move my trading stop loss here, but I'm not gonna set any like take profit because it looks like it's speeding up. The bearish momentum is huge today. And even this bounce back is all this bounce back is very little. So it shows that nobody want to buy. All this minor and little like about 5 back is like somebody just retain, just redeem profit. That's how I perceive the chart. Everybody want to sell today, and there's some retail trader want to redeem profit, and something like this happen. Okay, create a lower low, so I can move my trading stop loss here. Create a lower low, keep going. How far you can go? Oh, auxiliary. Auxiliary. Oops, some support, bounce back. If it bounce back, I'm fine with. Okay, at least I get 100 profit. Even you bounce back from here, and so intimidating. I'm just so intimidating. Oh my God, I forced into the trading wall and something I cannot even see clearly. Oh, you really want to bounce back? This is the third minute. Okay, retest. Oh, more people, more buyer than seller. Bounce back. This is not a sideways market. If it's a sideways market, I'll take profit when the profit reaches like 250 or 300. But this is like downtrend, so strong bearish momentum. So just just maintain a reasonable trading stop loss and let it go. Okay, let it go. Oh, last minute, but at least you close underneath the previous lowest peak. Okay. Last minute. Hey, yes, close underneath the lowest peak. Oh, if not, then maybe it's dangerous. Maybe it will bounce back. I don't know. See, yes, it's trying to bounce back. So in that way, this is an equal low. Need to charge. So I can be more greedy. 134, at least 134 profit. So this is consolidate stretch, and gradually the bearish momentum becomes smaller and smaller. Or maybe you can think of it as consolidate and stretch down. I don't know. So I'm not tracing too closely. If this is a consolidation, then next candle is stretch. I'll trade my stop loss accordingly. But if it's bounce back, okay to leave the trade with 100 something profit. Yeah, if you close underneath the previous peak, the lowest peak, like close underneath here, then I believe that you are a stretch. So come on, prove itself. See, I say this is a big bearish momentum. Everybody can tell it in that way. 160. Oh, does not close underneath this lowest peak. That's some problematic. Something wrong. But stretch candle. Oh, it's not a stretch candle. Maybe it keeps being a consolidate candle. Well, let's see. It's only 2 minutes for this 5 minute chart, for this 5 minute candle. Mm-mm-mm. No. So when do we increase position? Is like where it uh so first thing first, every time we increase, then we increase one or half of the position size of our order. Say we are 2 micro contract. Then when we increase, then we only increase one contract every single time. And once we increase, then we adjust the trading stop loss accordingly. Okay. And second, um, So we just need to wait when there's some minor like retest, something like this. It does not exceed the previous high and some breakout, something like this, then we will add a position, increase position around here after it breaks our continued journey. Proves out that it's gonna continue the journey after the minor breakout. So this will be a good example. It's like bearish flag and breakout. But then I'll set a limit order here, but I don't get on board. That's totally fine. And for this one, some retest or something, and does not trigger my stop loss. Yeah, that will be good. And break out to the downside, and then I will set a limit order right here while I maintain my trading stop loss here. So at this time, I will get on board and continue the journey. Yeah, that's how we increase position. Just assuming that when you do not have the position, the legacy position, then when you will enter into the market in the same direction, and at the moment you increase the position. And after we increase two position, like 2-1 contract, then okay, maybe next time we when our contract reaches like 4, then next time we increase contract can be 2. So always half. Oh, it looks like this is consolidate, another consolidate, potentially bounce back. See, both ES and NK are consolidate. Or you can see, okay, they keep getting rejection here. They cannot create lower lows of some support here. They just cannot proceed the downward journey. So anytime it will, I'm not sure, so I will not take profit here. I will not take profit here. I will not even move my trading stop loss here. So 61 will be fine. So either it consolidate and flush to the downside, or it just bounce back, showing that okay, the bearish momentum keeps decreasing, and buyer resume control something, and in that way, I'm okay to leave with 160 profit. Uh-oh, I'm gonna kick me out. Okay, kick me out. Okay, then let's see. Even it breaks, as I say, even it breaks the trend line, I will not go long because this is overall downtrend. I would like to see it pulls back and with a higher low, and RSI rise dramatically. I mean, force into 40 to 60 from oversell back to 60-40 and shows an upward momentum there. Then I will go long from there. So later on, another heuristic means maybe the reversal point is coming. I don't know. I'll see if it meets my setup below. Otherwise, if it meets my setup for sure, then I'll still go short. Okay, 100, not bad. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, RSI reaches the same level here. See if this one is engulfing, then maybe I can continue to go short because see the last time RSI at the same level is here and now the price action is here. So let's see the compression of this candle. Oh, no, I cannot see. If this is the retest level and you get bounce back, maybe you will close above. I don't know, but cannot go long. I just cannot go long. Mm. Same thing for ES. See, it's at the same level or even higher, but the price action is lower. Mm. Oh, oh, oh. Need to wait for the compression. Stabilize right there. Otherwise, see, this is just a retest. You get pushback. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Keep pushing. Even with this setup, I will not go long because overall you're still downtrend. Nobody knows when you're gonna end. So I will wait one more pullback. See where it is. See, it's still red candle. And probably for this one will build a reverse setup. We will see. See, strong downward momentum. Okay, keep pushing it up. So we'll see okay, RSI divergence with this one, and this one is RSI divergence, and RSI keeps rising, yeah, keep going up and forth, and let me see where the pullback happen. Let me see where the pullback happen. If it miss my setup for reversal, then I will trade long. So it requires like one candle to arrive here, one or two like consolidate or sideways candle and pull back. One, two, three, four, four candle. Oh, see you in 20 minutes. Um, gonna shake my beer and prepare for other responsibility in the day. Hmm. Yeah, still, this is a retest level. We still cannot conclude that the seller or the bearish momentum resume control the market. We'll see. Especially this is a momentum. This is support level from 1 hour chart, and it happens. This RSI divergence, bottom divergence happen. So let's see where it goes. If it happen to be engulfing somewhere close underneath the lowest peak, then of course I will go short from there. I will go short from there. And the stop loss will be here. But because this is something up above and ENA 21 push it down. So it keeps going long. Okay, keep going. I don't care. I would like to see a rise. And I'm expecting RSI go to this level while the price action is way lower than here. But I would be interested to see where you go. Oh. Maybe I can try one microphone check. And the stop loss will be here. Okay. Not sure if I can target here, but order block. Let's say order block. Very minor. Oh, that's how we trade reverse. Oh, oh, should not trade reverse. But ES keeps going up. See, and maybe break this previous high. Will it retest to unit 21? I don't know. I'm so scared. Reverse trade because for fun. Oh, $5. $5 is good. $5 is good. Oh, I can make $50 if I wait a couple more seconds. Hmm. Anyway, just for fun. Okay, reaches 50. It looks like reaches 50. I can make 50. Oh, my 50. Okay, so the RSI gets into a 40 to 60 range. It is sideways from oversell. Keep going, stabilize, and pull back. Let's see where you are, and I would like to see an upward engulfing. I will not trade. Um, I would rather miss. Maybe it's like a V something rather than W. So go straight up, then I miss this whole trend. But that's fine. It's way better than get trend. Okay, break somewhere and retest, retest. Oh, yes, it's outbreak. Okay, we'll see. Get into a 40 to 60. Keep going somewhere and then retest to somewhere that is significantly high and show the upward. Okay, keep going. Okay, get rejected by ENA 21. So if you show it engulfing, I'll go short. I'll go short. From there, overall is still downtrend. Let me see. This is the first meeting. Cannot conclude too early. Maybe just retest, but it get defended by unit 21. Let's see if it's downward, then I'll engulfing, then I will go short from there. But for ES, it's too difficult to engulf because the most recent bearish flag is too big. Hmm. Okay. Momentum is confirmed. Now NQ has already engulfed and back test here. Let's see. Retest. Do you retest? Oh, yes, also engulf. Let's wait for the compression. Hmm. Yeah, I'm so conservative because you're supposed to wait for the compression of this candle, but now it's not completed yet. But it looks like the momentum is big. Retest to unit 21 and retest to the upper bow and goes down. The downward momentum resumes. So this is the perfect setup. Go short. Okay, we are in. We'll see where it goes and set the other. It keeps moving. It keeps moving. Oh, my $50 is back. Come on. Yeah, $50 is back. So overall, my account is like 400. Great, I like it, but just be cautious because this is retesting. lower low, and the setup happens if it ends up to be upward engulfing and close above the unit 21, then that's where we go long. But after here, it looks like shoulder, hand, shoulder, break, and retest to the upper bow and going up. Let's see this candle. Shoulder, hand. Oh no. Oh no, wait a minute. This is another situation. Let's draw the trend line. Trend line from here and out of here. So it feels like this becomes new something. So not sure. So that's why I so conservative with micro because this is not a bearish momentum dominating market. You can see this is sideways. So for sideways, reduce the position size and take profit whenever you feel comfortable. Don't be greedy. Oh, yeah, with one micro, I make $50. If it's 1 minute, I make 500. God, 500. Yeah, my liquidation distance, drawdown distance is only 587. So you're gonna blow my account if I make something wrong. But let's see. Let's see. It's a little bit difficult to engulf this candle. I know. So I'm expecting like gradually multiple candle and can draw the trend line something, but it's something if we already engulfing and stay above, then that's where I go long. We'll see. RSI divergence and RSI dramatically arise to the upside. Now this is still retest level. Cannot conclude that the bullish momentum resume trying to getting or is already getting the control of the market. This is just retest level. We'll see. If ES break and close underneath here, then okay, I can confidently going short. It's something like this. Hey, sideways, 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 and we can draw that something. And maybe sideways, and now who gonna win? For NQ, this is a verified support. So see if yes can close. Wait. Okay, and the lower bow, it has some bounce back, but it's not that strong. It's not that strong. Uh, we'll see here. We'll see this one. Okay. NQ still want to go up, but yes, both are still sideways. So one is green and one is red, but by nature, literally they are sideways. I would like to see one of them close underneath the boundary. For example, ES close underneath here. Well, NQ still green something, then I can go short NQ. Otherwise, if we stay in the sideways something, this is no trading though. If price action in this area, ban, no trading. Uh, yeah, as long as it's not close, even it shows some solid part, big solid part, it's just sideways, sideways. Oh, sideways. Mm. Oh, so I should not draw a trend line. It's actually a channel. So don't get fooled if it creates a higher high, or maybe it stand out of the this channel and go long and expecting it is reverse. But this looks to me is more like a bearish flag, something. Okay, it's not close here. So it's along the trend line, the bottom part, the bottom line of something. So to me, this is still sideways. Anytime you will get a big solid and stay close underneath, not only engulf all this, but engulf, stay underneath, close underneath this trend line, and that's where we go short. We'll see if we want to go short for ES or NQ. So maybe one or two more, but without like overview something that is like some it aligns the lower bound, and to me this is like still sideways, sideways. Even increase a higher high and higher low, it's align this lower bound. So um and it retest the boundary, it retest the channel upper bound of the channel. Well, it yeah, it close to above the unit 21, which is misleading. ERSI aligns the previous peak. So we'll see. RSI. Maybe it's easier. Maybe it's easier to check NQ because it's horizontal. For this one, even create a higher high, it's still in the range. Oh, not easy. It's just that this candle is too big and very difficult to engulf. And so far, even with three green candle, this is still the retest level. Mm. If there's something small like this, then when it has an engulfing like this, then engulf like two and almost three, then I can go a limit order. But now ES and NQ are on the same page. See, for ES, one milestone is break this trend line. For NQ, yeah, the same distance between the trend line. Yeah, the trend line is this one, not this one. 2 more minutes, we'll see. Okay, let's see the resistance from unit 21. Okay, 46. RSI lose zero, but it's still in consolidating. It does not close above. So this is still a retest level, a little bit above retest level, but still under unit 21. We'll see. Yeah, for NQ, it's clear because it's horizontal, very consistent, like resistance level and something. So, oh, 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 see, rejection comes in this triangle sideway. And if we close underneath, I will go short from there. Anywhere inside here is just sideway. No trading though. Yeah, for okay. And for NQ, it's like ENA 21 performs the resistance. Go down, let's see how far it goes. It's sideways, as I say, it's sideways. No trading though. But it's a little bit difficult to engulf ES as the most recent bullish flag is big. If it engulf, then probably it will step out of the bow, but we'll see. Maybe this is still sideways because today NQ and ES something like this. We'll see. Oh, everything is in the range. It's still sideways. Let's wait for it to close above the range. Mm, 200, maybe 300, and I'm done. But can increase. Oh, you can see here. Oh, okay. 2 more minutes. This is a resistance, so don't conclude too early. Let's see if we can stabilize underneath. Okay, last minute. Momentum is huge. Oh, without any retest, without any shadow line. It close outside. Almost one tick something. Right, get on board. So it will be here. Okay. Huge momentum and slump to the downside. Close above. So it's possible you retest to here. Mm-hmm. Oh, CDS. So this is sideways and drop, and chances are they continue to go down. They're resisting by the trend line. Maybe I should just set the limit order right here. Alive is the lowest peak. Maybe too greedy. But guess what? This is lower bow. You will retest. If you see it here, I need a queen. Oh, last minute. How come fly? But it shows the symptom that you continue to go down. Placing for yes, but it's just consolidate. Oh, yes. Yeah, it close. Let me see here. Let me see there. No, it will probably bounce back. Retest. I don't know because this is it does not break. Right here, this is the verified support from 1 hour. Verified support from 1 hour, so be very cautious. And especially there's no retest, then no retest something. So this is cyber area, to be honest. Don't be greedy. If we close underneath here, then we can increase position. We'll see. Okay, this looks like a stretch. Okay, 300. That means it breaks the oh, you never retest. That means it breaks the resistance. Maybe it's too early to conclude because think of it as an area. This area is a battlefield. At least it breaks here. You want to bounce back like here and push back from 1 hour. So sideways, retest in a 9 and something. See if you retest to get us on board before you proceed. Mm. Oh, it's like a stretch, consolidate, and this vertical support and stretch, sharp flush to the downside. Everybody want to sell. Oh, keeps moving lower. At this time, cannot trace unless you retest. C for yes. It seems like to get lower. Oh, flush to downside. I missed this channel. Come on. Goes into oversell area. Oh, some support comes in. Yeah, it's gonna be a stretch, consolidate, stretch, and consolidate, and retest. Mm, mm. No, never trace. Just let it flush the downside. Oh, see what I'm missing. What I'm missing. Oh, why this minute is so long? Hmm. Mhm. This one, Y6 is right here. So catching flying knife. Eventually you will retest here. Point 6, right? Never trace the trend out of here. If you don't get into a short trade here, then here, I mean, obviously it's downtrend, but if you go short here, then maybe what's coming next second is the rebound. And I'm not sure if it's a rebound or reverse. So it will be very dangerous. Never trace. And this is catching flying knife, like Wild said. Okay, point 0.6. It's around here, maybe here. Or maybe I should not even conduct like catching flying knife something. Or if it's a reversal. So I should wait until it returns to somewhere and do a short engulfing. This is a fair value game. Mm. Look at 1 hour. I'm just a little bit concerned because this is a verify something. So potentially. So I oversensitive, I over conservative. Otherwise I keep like two micro here and retake this one. That will give me like around 400 something. Hmm. But this one, nobody's sure. This is a sideway area. I don't expect like some flash like this because this is a sideway area. Why the bearish momentum is so strong today? Oh God. See here, some battle. Mhm. Okay, stop. It can be a consolidation or it can be a reverse. But now, so this is a deterministic. Overall, it's downtrend, but it's going down. But and here it's possible it start a bounce back. So if you're not sure where the market gonna go, then you get into the trade. That's gambling. Simple. So it's far again. It's far away from ENA one, ENA 21. ENA push down and ENA push down, ENA 21. So I should get in the trade here. I'm not that confident because this is a verified support. I don't stick to the trade, so I lost this trade. Maybe I can try because I'm not that confident, but I think this is consolidating and keep going lower. CES is going lower. Far away from ENA 21. Oh, that's not even get on ball. Get me on ball. Okay, now it reaches the Say RSI level, that the potential bounce back somewhere around here, 20, and where is it? 24. Oh, okay, I'm in. So 5168. See if you push this again. Try to reach that bottom again and get 68. Maybe 92. Oh, 46 point. It's so huge. Go. So this is 3 minutes. We have 2 more minutes to pull a sell. If you are the stretch candle and keep stretching. Oh, see, yes, yes, just get reject. Okay, last minute. Last minute. You can never go down or something. I think this is a stretch because we just finished the consolidation. I'm gonna stretch, but this is oh suddenly my back. Hmm. And still moving lower. Okay, 26 point. Yeah, I'm so scared. What the heck? I'm so scared for this market, and it's getting here, and suppose there's some rebound anytime rebound. I would like to see it engulfing, but this engulfing is too huge. Minor engulfing something, and I miss this one. I miss this leaving order, so my position is a little bit aggressive. That's why I'm not there to keep it long. Maybe I don't not necessarily confident, but it's good. Like 40, 40, 30 something, and a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, and accumulate like yeah, accumulate like 300 something profit today. So the goal is like drawdown distance. Drawdown distance up to 1000. So it's 56. Okay, the goal is to make a 56 more dollar. No, I'm not gonna trace. This is so intimidating. And you see the RSI right here. Bounce back, please. No, you never retest in the 21. You just free fall like this. What happened? What happened? It's oversell. So let's wait for the pullback. There should be a pullback. Does not necessarily mean that it's reverse. It could be something. But the pullback will probably be here and retest in the 21. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I will never try the pullback. Yeah, it shows some symptom for the potential pullback, but I will not trade because nobody knows where the pullback is gonna go. It's not like when it's downtrend, then we trade the trend, then it goes a long way. But if we trade the pullback, it's just something like this. 3, 4 something. So this divergence is invalid for 5-minute chart. So we'll see. Now, hmm, there's a fair value gap here. Come on. It does not necessarily need to retest fair value gap. It just want to go down. And it reaches the yen 21. No, it reaches the previous RSI level. Every time it's here, like 20, then it will bounce. So I'm not gonna go short. Everybody just want to sell. See here, there is no fair value gap here. But you just retest here, it does not retest the fair value gap. So, and some fair value gap here. Oh no, it's right here. No fair value gap. Okay, but this time there is a fair value gap. Something. Oh, consolidate. Recharge. Anyway, I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna go short. Of course, I will not go long. Ah, this is not tradable. Yeah, for years. Same thing. Fair value gap. Fair value gap here. Hmm. No, never trade. It's like something. Anytime there should be the pullback. Hmm. No, no trade. Well, at least my trade today are all green trade. Be cautious, even regardless of how small it is. The first, this is the first big trade. Like I could make 300 something, but I ended at like 150. Hey, oof. But overall, for now it's already like 300 and gradually steady and steady. Don't be greedy. Wait for the pullback. Oh, what happened? No, never place a trade. This is like 20. Okay, it's oversell. Never try. Last minute, let's see. Oh, I've never seen RSI falls to like zero. What does it mean by RSI zero? For 20, it's already very scary. Feels like the overall market are selling. Nobody gonna redeem profit. Everybody just keep selling, selling, selling. Mhm. So if I miss this one, then something you can bounce back anytime. Not there to trade, and especially all this like something, something, something shows like not enough momentum like this one or this one. Not enough momentum. So anytime you will bounce back because this is very easy to be engulfed. So not there to trade. And it just does not bounce back. It never bounce back. Even some like momentum push it back. See the long. There is no shadow upward, but there is a long shadow line which is equal length of the solid part. Maybe I can try sell one. If this one gonna be stretch. I only need a 56. 3 more minutes. Will come back pick me up. Or maybe I can be more conservative. Just in case when you get engulfed, I lose less. But for years, oh my god, this feels like a stretch. After so many candles, like consolidate, this is like stretch. Break out to the downside. Mhm. Okay, I'm in. Hmm. Let's see. Oh, don't do this to me. So the rejection happens here. Okay, keep moving down. $56. Yeah, that's what I want. So scared. Shit market. See, yes, it fails to create lower low, but it's only the first mini. We'll see. So potentially, make another 56 something is not easy. Oh, it's not 56. It looks like, oh, 49. $6. Um, yeah, $6. I just want to make $6 to move like drawdown distance above 1,000. And I think I'm done for today. If I can secure this one, but I'm totally scared because this is verified support from 1 hour, and NQ is minor outbreak, but yes, it's not outbreak. That's what I'm concerned. So, but out of here, then it could like bounce back anytime. So I'm not there to go long trade. But I think that's good. Gradually be intimidated and gradually get this and that. And 400 and overall 2,000. 400 and 500 something. Now the realized PL be reduced like positive, and the thing is the distribution dropped down, reduced to 1,000. I can survive a couple more days, and let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. I'm happy. This shit market is not tradable. Oh my God, just don't bounce back. How dare? I don't. I'm not there to trade, and I lose this long trend just because I don't get in. I don't get in for the two contracts. Otherwise, I could probably make 800 out of here. 800 today. Okay, so much for today. Thank you very much. Oh.